Trends come and go, but the resurgence of vinyl records seems to be here to stay. I grew up with vinyl and it held a magic for me that has never been matched by today's squeaky clean streaming music. This Bluetooth turntable with built-in speakers brings back all the nostalgia and warmth of analog sound. Unlike the steely sleekness of modern gadgets, the attractive wooden desktop design immediately sets the mood. The retro-looking front panel lets you choose AM/FM radio and the ability to connect a Bluetooth device. But the undisputed star of the show, of course, is the phono button. This is what gives you access to the turntable. Under the hood, it plays all three speeds, 33, 45 and 78 RPM. So your entire collection from classic 78s to modern LPs is covered. The servo-controlled motor keeps speed steady and accurate, avoiding that wobble that makes cheap turntables sound cheap. The auto stop feature is a nice safeguard for your records too. The built-in speakers sound surprisingly good, especially in small spaces. It all comes with a power adapter, instructions, an aux cable and 45 RPM adapter. For anyone new to vinyl or for those dusting off their old collections, this all-in-one record player handles everything in a single tidy package. Highly recommended.